Hello, so we've got a few Mac jobs for this week, and we've had about 4 iMacs from an architectural firm, and Rob's just working on this one. It's a private customer. Rob, what are we doing with this iMac?
So this one came in, wouldn't work at all. Needed maintenance, new power supply in it, and the hard drive had suffered with heat. So we've replaced it with a solid state drive.
Cool.
1 terabyte solid state drive, and we're just going to install the latest operating system onto it, and then Microsoft Office, and get it back to the customer later on today. This
Fast.
one, and we've just done this one. So that's another one that we've just done. That's another private customer. We've done 4 yesterday for an architectural business. And then we've got some more that are got a little queue. Going through the system.
Perfect.
Yo,
let's go Rapid PC Repair. Thanks guys for watching.